Hello, welcome to Creations by Kim. I just finished one and I really like it, but I'm thinking about painting over it. And so while I've got extra colors, I am going to make two smaller ones so that I can capture that color scheme. And anyway, so hopefully this turns out the way I want it to. And we'll see. So let's see. Either before or after this video, somewhere in this line, you'll see the other video. Actually, let me show you. All right, this is the video, the one I just did and set it aside, and I really like those colors. So I'm going to try to duplicate that. And anyway, let's get back to the setup over here. Okay, well, we're back over here. All right, the colors I'm using. This one, it's some green, and I can't remember what all's mixed into it. Like I said on the other video, I have no idea, but it's some type of a green mix. I think I had this color in mind and just kind of started mixing and going and seeing what I had. This is a folk art glittery silver, just mixed with Floetrol. And this is the last bit of some black and blue mixed with Floetrol. It's kind of like a midnight blue color. I don't know if you can see that well, but anyway. All right, let's see. All right. Cool. All right. We're going to go with that. All right. I think I'm going to stop there. That's pretty good color schemes there. I like it. All right. And if you like it too, go ahead and hit that like button and be sure to share it with your friends. And if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell, and you can get notifications of every time I post a video. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to hit me up in the comments, and I guess we will talk at you later. Thanks again for watching Kreations by Kim. Bye.